Hi, I'm Luke Williams, and today we're going to be going over a few simple yet very effective ways to hold up your clay so you can get some plinking in. First, for this we're going to use 9-gauge wire from your local hardware store. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to create an oval-shaped pocket that is going to be the width of the clay. Now you can straighten out the wire and make it as long as you want. Next, we're going to use a piece of foam board. Using your clay, trace as many clays as you want on the board. Now we're going to use a knife and cut a door shape on the top and the bottom of each clay circle. Now fold those doors up and your clay should fit perfectly inside of them. Last, and one of the easier ones, is grab some paper clips. Using some types of poles or fence posts, you can run a line across, and then you can use paper clips on that line to put the clays on. This one is the quickest and simplest, and most importantly, the cheapest. What I love about this one is it's gonna naturally swing a little bit, making your shot a little harder. All right, guys, do you know of any other DIY clay holders? If so, let us know in the comments below, and then make sure you head to Raider Red's YouTube channel and hit subscribe. From the farm, I'm Luke Williams, and God bless America.